Hello students, this is Rudrodeep sir, and today we are going to start with the next topic, which is what IUPAC nomenclature of polyfunctional compounds and aromatic compounds. Before coming to the naming part, we should all know that the priority of functional group is something which is very much important. So according to the priority rule, the COOH group is given as the highest priority. Then the one which comes is SO3H, then CONH2, then CN, then CHO, then C double bond O, then OH, then NH2, then OH, then NH2, then alkene, and then alkyne. Okay, this is the order. It means if a compound is having both this and this functional groups, the one which is having greater priority, for that case suffix will be used, and the one which is having lower priority, for that case prefix will be used. What is suffix and prefix? Okay, every functional group has two names. One is known as suffix and the other one is known as prefix. Okay, whenever someone is given greater priority, then prefix is used. When only one functional group is present, then only prefix will be used. Only suffix will be used. And whenever someone is given greater priority, then in that case suffix will be used, and for the lower priority one, prefix will be used. Simple is that. Okay, so suffix and prefix. Now the thing is, everyone in this is having what the two names which are known as suffix and prefix. So let us get to the significance of it, please. So let us start the naming of a compound. Suppose there is a compound CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Simple. Only one functional group is there, and as per the IUPAC rule, the functional group should be placed at the lower numbered carbon. Now the thing is, this functional group is carrying carbon, so numbering will start from that only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the name of it? 4 carbons are there, so but, and one position oic acid is present. Oic acid. I told you, when only one kind of functional group is present, then only the prefix only the suffix will be used. So in that case only suffix is used. Okay, suffix is used. But in that case, two functional groups are present. One is known as COOH and the other one is CHO. Now the question is, according to the priority chart, this one should be given greater priority. For that case, suffix will be used, and in case of CHO, prefix will be used. Am I right? Okay, fine. Now if it has been given greater priority, then numbering should be start from this only. 1, 2, 3, and this one is carrying a carbon. Still no number is given. The reason behind this is presence of COOH. The reason behind this is it is considered as the lower priority one. That is why we are not going to place any number on the carbon present in the prefixed functional group. Is that okay? Now total, according to the numbering, 3 carbons are here, then pro will be there, and to the third carbon CHO is attached, so 3 formyl. The prefix of CHO is formyl, and the suffix of COOH is oic acid. The suffix of COOH is oic acid. Is that okay? So let us get to some more examples. For example, let us come to this one. Okay, let me find some examples for you. Okay, CH3CH, CH3CHOH, CH2 CHO. Now, what will be the name of this compound? What will be the name of this compound? Okay, see, two functional groups are there. One is this one and the other one is this one. For this case, the two names are, the suffix and prefixes are, prefix and suffixes are hydroxy and all. Okay, and for this case, the prefix and suffixes are what? Formyl and al. And you know this one will be given greater priority. So for this case, al will be used, and this one is given the lower priority. That is why hydroxy should be used. Okay, and numbering is placed 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means bute. Okay, third carbon to third carbon hydroxy is attached. 3 hydroxy, bute, 1 al. Okay, this will be the name of this compound. Simple as that. If only the main rule is, if only one functional group is present, then we will have to look after to which to place it to the carbon where the numbering is lowest. But whenever more than one kind of functional groups are present, then you will have to find the one which is having greater priority. Okay, the one that is having greater priority, for that case suffix will be used, and the one which is having lesser priority, for that one prefix will be used. Is that okay? Okay, fine. Now so let us come to another example. This one, CH3 CH NH2 CH2 C CONH2. Okay, CONH2. So it is simple that numbering should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the question is, what is the suffix of CONH2 and what is the prefix of NH2? Now the question is which one will be given greater priority. Obviously this one, and this one is having lesser priority. The suffix will be used for this one and prefix will be used for this one. Okay, now the question is, what is the prefix of NH2? The prefix of NH2 is amino, and the suffix of CONH2 is amide. So what do you want to name it? The name should be what? 3 amino bute, or you can write butan. Okay, both are correct. Butan 1 amide. Or in running hand you can also write butanamide. Okay, so 3 amino butanamide, this is also correct. 3 amino bute 1 amide, that is also correct. 3 amino butan 1 amide, that is also correct. So whatever kind of, which one suits you better, which one is suitable for you, that only you will be using. Okay, is that fine with everyone? So there are many examples in the book, you find it, and if you find any problem, you ask your teacher, you ask me. Okay, that's not going to be a problem. Okay, let us come to the next one, that is aromatic compounds. In case of aromatic compounds, how the IUPAC nomenclature works, okay, that is a big question. Okay, so let us start with the easiest one. Suppose aromatic compounds are those in which benzene rings are present. Simply you can say that. Okay, there are different rules, Vogel's rule, but we are not getting to that. Okay, CH3. This is a compound. This is a compound which is aromatic in nature. Now the question is, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? You know this compound as toluene, right? Toluene, but it is the common name of it. Okay, it is not the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name is methyl benzene. Methyl means CH3 and benzene refers to the ring. Okay, the methyl benzene is the IUPAC name of it. So in the in similar way, we will have to learn the IUPAC name of many compounds. For example, if we place a nitro group in the meta position, what we will say? What will be the name of it? What will be the name of it? What will be the name of it? For that case, we will have to know that which one between methyl group and nitro group, which one should be given greater priority. Methyl is given greater priority. That is why the numbering should be start from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 carbons are there, and in 3 position nitro group is present as the what prefix. Okay, and the CH3 group is present at number 1 as suffix. So what will be the name of this compound? See, if nitro group wasn't there, we would call it toluene, right? So toluene is the basic name of it. Now we will have to add up the name of nitro in 3 position. So what will be the name? 3-nitro toluene. Simple. 3-nitro toluene, or you can write M-nitro toluene. M-nitro toluene. So what is the meaning of M? M for meta. M for meta. Now let us come to that thing. Okay, if it is a benzene ring, okay, this position is called functional group position. This one is called ortho positions, this one is called meta position, and this one is called para position. This one is also known as meta, and this one is also known as ortho. So in a benzene ring, 2 ortho positions and 2 meta positions are there, and 1 para position is there. Okay, so in short form we can use O for this, in case of this M, and in case of this P can be used. So that is why M was used in the previous case. Is that okay with everyone? Now let us come to more examples where 2 or more functional groups are present in an aromatic compound. Okay, let us come to more examples. Let us go deeper. Okay, for that case, suppose this is a compound, this is a benzene ring. Fine, functional group position COOH is present. It is still not decided whether it is the functional group position or not. There is a bromine, and here is an OH. Okay, other than which we can use nitro as well, NO2. Now the thing is, what is the name of this compound? Total 3 functional groups are here. One is bromine, one is nitro, and the other one is carboxylic acid. In between these 3, which one will be given as the highest priority? Obviously COOH. So numbering should be started from here, number 1. Now the question asks, we can continue the numbering as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From both ways we can do it. Now there is another question. The question is, which one is suitable? See, if we go from this side, then at number 4 position nitro group will come, 5, 6, and at number 6 position bromine will come. But if we go from this side clockwise, then at number 2 bromine will come, and at number 4 nitro group come. So in both the ways, nitro group is coming at number 4, but bromine is coming in either number 6 or number 2. Which one is preferred? Obviously number 2. That we have learned that the functional group should be placed at the minimum numbers. The simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a compound, and this is the way of putting the numbers. Now the question is, what is the name of this compound? Okay, so as this one is considered as the main functional group, these 2 will be prefixes. Now in between these 2, alphabetically bromo comes first. So the name of bromo will be placed at the first. 2 bromo, number 2 position, 2 bromo. 4 nitro, 2 bromo 4 nitro benzoic. If none of these were present, then only benzoic acid would be the name, then benzoic acid. So what is the name of this compound? 2-bromo-4-nitrobenzoic acid. Simple as that. Simple as that. So let us come to some more examples. Suppose which one will be taken? Let me think. Okay, fine. I've got one. So this is the last example. Suppose CHO is present. Here a CH3 present. Here a bromo present. Here a OH present. And here a chloro present. Now, what will be the name of this compound? What will be the name of this compound? Okay, but suppose suppose CHO is present here, and I have done it intentionally. CH3 is present here. Now tell me what you will do. You will not consider CH3 as the functional group position and CHO as the ortho position. You will have to find out which one is having greater priority. And I found that CHO is having the greatest priority. And the one which is having the greatest priority among all these, numbering should start from that one only. And that position will be called the functional group position. Why? Because benzene is symmetrical. From whichever side you want, you are seeing, the benzene looks alike. Okay, so the number 1 is this one, and whenever we place number 1, this position and this position will be considered as ortho. This position and this position will be considered as para, and this position, which is the one which is just opposite to the number 1, will be these and these are meta, and the opposite one is para. Simple. Okay, so this one is ortho, this one is meta, this one is para, and this one is also ortho. Okay, now the thing is, from which side we'll have to do the numbering. Okay, if you start from this will come at number 2. If you start from this will come at number 2. So either of them will have to be placed at number 2 and number 6. That is very easy. But if we go clockwise, then we will get OH at the minimum carbon number. Anti-clockwise, if we are rotating anti-clockwise, then the OH would come at number 5 position, which is not correct. So the simple numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple. Okay. So what will be the name of this? The basic name is benzaldehyde. If CH3, Br, OH and Cl, all of them were absent, only CHO was present, then it would be named as benzaldehyde. Now some prefixes will be there. The prefixes are bromo, hydroxy, chloro and methyl, and alphabetically which comes first? Bromo. So 2 bromo, then chloro, 4 chloro, then in between hydroxy and methyl, which one comes first? Hydroxy. 3 hydroxy, 6 methyl benzaldehyde. I know this is a huge name, but it's not that difficult, you know. So the one which is which becomes easier for you won't be looking like a big one. Okay, it may be big, but it is not a difficult one. So here while we are closing this thing, the nomenclature part. Okay, so we will skip to the next part. Okay.